Hello, my name is Julian Johnston. I'm a real estate agent in Miami Beach. I've been a real estate agent in Miami Beach since 2001, selling luxury waterfront homes and condos.